Namaste, welcome to Shloka Chant with Yeshu. This is the continuation part of Hanuman Chalisa. We had done with part 7 till 24 verses. Here we are starting with the 25th verse. So let's start the part 8 of Hanuman Chalisa from 25th. You can see the lyrics here, or if you have a book already, you can follow the lyrics in the book. Nashau Rog Harai सब पीरा जपत निरंतर हनुमत बीरा नाशो रोग हरै सब पीरा जपत निरंतर हनुमत बीरा. So what is the meaning of this one? So Nashau means to destroy. So what is the destroying? The destroying is a roga. So all the disease will get destroyed and all the pain will be removed. So sub is all the kind of a pain will be removed when we remember Japat, when we utter the name of Hanuman always. Japat Nirantar, always. When we utter his name regularly, so all the kind of a diseases, all the kind of a problems, everything will vanish. That is the meaning. 26. Sankat se Hanuman Chudavai, to stress. Man Kram Bachan Dhyan, dha stress. Jo लावई संकट से हनुमान छुड़ावई मन क्रम बचन ध्यान जो लावई. What is the meaning of this? Sankat means problem. So Hanuman is the one, when we say his name regularly, he will remove all the kind of a pain and disease, and also he'll make sure that he remove us from the problem. Sankat se Hanuman chudavai. He will remove us. He will free us from the problem. Man kram bachan dhyan jo lavai. Dhyan is a meditation. When we meditate on Hanuman, he'll make sure to remove all our problems. So I'm making the meanings as simple as possible here. Okay. So we'll go with the 27th one. सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा. सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा. Already told you the meaning of Kaj in the previous video. So Kaj means work. So Hanuman is the one who work for a Ram, and he does all the kind of a work that is being told by Ram, and he does it very happily because he loved to do anything for Ram. So Rama is the king of all the tapasvi, the one who does a meditation. He is a king. Tapasvi Raja. He is a tapasvi Raja. So Hanuman is the one who fulfill all the kind of a kaj, all the kind of a work for a Ram. That is the meaning for the 27th one. We'll go for the 26th. Aur manorath. Third stress. Aur manorath. Jo koi lavai. Jo कोई लावई. सोई अमित जीवन फल पावई. सोई अमित जीवन फल पावई. और मनोरथ जो कोई लावई. सोई अमित जीवन फल पावई. So what is the meaning of this one? So manorath means the kind of a wish, the desires that we have. So when all the devotees will come to Hanuman with the desires, with that I need this, I want to do this, I need the knowledge. So when they when they go to Hanuman with this, Hanuman will make sure that they will get unlimited result and it will get fulfilled easily. The most important thing is we need to meditate on Hanuman. We need to remember his name. We need to truly love him. We need to show true devotion to him. So we'll go with the 29th. चारो युग परताप तुम्हारा hai par siddh, siddh dha stress, jagat उजियारा, चारों युग परताप तुम्हारा, है परसिद्ध जगत उजियारा. So Hanuman, your glory is famous in all the world, in all the four ages. Charo Yuga, all the four ages. So which are the four ages? We have a Satya Yuga, Dwapara Yuga, Treta Yuga and the Kali Yuga. So these are the four ages or four Yuga. So your name is known in all the four Yuga. You are so famous. Parasiddha is a famous. That is the meaning for a 29. We'll go for the last one for the lesson, today's lesson. साधु संत के, साधु do stress, साधु संत के तुम रखवारे का stress, असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे. So sadhu sant is a saint and sages. You are a protector. Tum rakhvara, you will do the protection of sadhu and sant, and you will destroy the demon asur nikandan. So you will destroy the demon. This is the meaning for the 30th one. So here we complete from 25 to 30. We'll recite once from 25 to 30. नाशौ रोग हरै सब पीरा, जपत निरंतर हनुमत बीरा. संकट से हनुमान छुड़ावै, मन क्रम बचन ध्यान जो लावै. सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा, तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा. और मनोरथ जो कोई लावै, सोई अमित जीवन फल पावै. चारों युग परताप तुम्हारा, है परसिद्ध जगत उजियारा. साधु संत के तुम रखवारे, असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे. So here we complete from 25 to 30 in part 8. If you have any doubt, please do let me know in the comment section. See you in the next part. Thank you so much. Namaste.